Hello, my name is Obaid Alorni.
Cactus.
A cactus, plural, cacti. Cactuses or cactus, is a member of the plant family Cactaceae. Their distinctive appearance is a result of adaptations to conserve water in dry and/or hot environments. In most species, the stem has evolved to become photosynthetic and succulent, while the leaves have evolved into spines. Many species are used for ornamental plants, and some are also grown for fodder, forage, fruits, cochineal, and other uses. Cacti come in a wide range of shapes and sizes. The tallest is Pachysera, a springlet, with a maximum recorded height of 19.2 meters, and the smallest is Blossfeldia lilliputiana, only about 1 centimeter in diameter at maturity. Cactus flowers are large, and like the spines arise from distinctive features called areoles.
Distribution.
The cactus family is native to the Americas, where their range extends from Patagonia to southern Canada, but they are densest and most diverse in the regions of northern Mexico and the southern tropics of Argentina and Bolivia. Ripslis baxifera is the one exception. It is native to both the Americas and the Old World, where it is found in tropical Africa, Madagascar, and Sri Lanka. It is thought to have colonized the Old World within the last few thousand years, probably by being carried as seeds in the digestive tracts of migratory birds. Many other species have become naturalized outside the Americas after having been introduced by people, especially in Australia, Hawaii, south of the Arabian Peninsula, Asia and the Mediterranean region. Cacti inhabit diverse regions, from coastal plains to high mountain areas.
Adaptations to dry environment.
With a few exceptions, cacti are succulent plants and, like other succulents, they have a variety of adaptations that enable them to survive in hot and dry environments. Pereschia grandifolia. Pereschia is a weakly succulent genus, which also possesses leaves, and is believed to be similar to the ancestor of all cacti. Many species of cactus have long, sharp spines. In most species of cacti, the leaves have evolved into spines which not only defend the cactus against herbivores but also provide shade that lowers the plant's water loss through transpiration. The spines grow from specialized structures called areoles, homologous to the nodes on other plants. Very few members of the family have leaves, and when present these are usually rudimentary and soon fall off. They are typically all-shaped and only 1 to 3 mm long. To genera, Pereschia and Pereschiopsis, do however retain large, non-succulent leaves 5 to 25 cm long, and non-succulent stems. Pereschia has now been determined to be the ancestral genus from which all other cacti evolved. Enlarged stems carry out photosynthesis and store water. Unlike other succulents, the stem is the only part of many cacti where this takes place. Cacti often have a waxy coating on their stems to prevent water loss and potentially repel water from their stems because of the plant's high water retention ability. Detached parts of the plant can survive for long periods and then grow new roots from anywhere on the plant body. When rain comes, the bodies of many cacti have become thickened during the course of evolution, and form water-retentive tissue that is in the optimal shape of a sphere or cylinder, combining highest possible volume with lowest possible surface area. By reducing its surface area, the body of the plant is also protected against excessive sunlight. The plant body itself is also capable of absorbing moisture through the epidermis and the spines, which is especially important for plants that receive most of their moisture in the form of fog. Most cacti have a short growing season and long dormancy. For example, a fully grown saguaro, Carnegie gigantea, can absorb up to 3,000 liters of water in 10 days. This is helped by the ability to form new roots quickly 2 hours after rain following a relatively long drought. Root formation begins in response to the moisture. Apart from a few exceptions, an extensively ramified root system is formed, which spreads out beneath the surface. The salt concentration in the root cells is relatively high, so when moisture is encountered it is quickly absorbed. Cacti often have very shallow roots that spread out widely close to the surface to collect water, an adaptation to infrequent rains in one case. A young saguaro only 12 centimeters tall had a root system covering an area 2 meters in diameter, but with no roots more than 10 centimeters deep. The larger columnar cacti also develop a taproot, primarily for anchoring, but also to reach deeper water supplies and mineral nutrients. Areoles are unique features to cacti. The areole appears like a cushion with a diameter of up to 15 millimeters, and is formed by two opposing buds in the angles of a leaf. The upper bud develops into either a blossom or a side shoot, while the lower bud develops into spines. The two buds of the areoles can lie very close together or be separated by several cm. Like other types of succulents, cacti reduce water loss through transpiration by crassulacing acid metabolism, CAM. Here, transpiration does not take place during the day at the same time as photosynthesis, but at night the plant stores the carbon dioxide, chemically linking it to malic acid, until nighttime. Because transpiration takes place during the cooler, more humid night hours, water loss through transpiration is significantly reduced.